Calculating volumes for tanks and berms in the oil and gas industry is challenging using conventional methods for a few reasons. You have to calculate complex shapes, especially with berms, with slope sides, terrain variability, or complex and uneven contours. Slight miscalculations occur when measuring such large volumes and increase cumulative errors. Another important issue to note is using conventional methods don't provide a comprehensive digital representation. You need to piece together multiple measurements, sketches, and calculations, which is inefficient and prone to error. To overcome the challenge and do the job right, you need the Leica RTC 360 and Cyclone 3DR software. The RTC 360 will give you a highly accurate and detailed point cloud that captures the exact shape of the tank and terrain. Cyclone 3DR will give you the tools that allow automated volume calculations that are easy to perform. This is way faster and more accurate than manual methods, especially for large or complex structures. In 3DR, we turn the ground points of the berm into a 10 mesh using the surface modeling tool DTM. We then clean the mesh around the top of the berm at the highest point. This is easy to do using a heat map. Next, we create a cylinder from points located on the tank, followed by turning the geometry of the cylinder into a mesh. The mesh needs to be completely enclosed to get an accurate volume calculation. Going back to our ground mesh, let's analyze using volume from elevation and choose the highest elevation of the berm to insert a plane from that elevation. The software will calculate the cubic volume between the plane and mesh so we know how much it'll take to fill the space in between. On this project, there's a big problem with the volume of the berm compared to the tank. Ideally, the volume of the berm needs to be 110% of the volume of the tank. As you can see, we're closer to being at 61%, so it's nowhere near where it needs to be. Factors like erosion, settlement and compaction, slumping, and wear from use can drastically displace the soil and collapse the overall volume. It's a good thing it was checked out so the issue can be addressed and compliant with the industry standards.